what you said last night. Quick, I need some answers. Don't just blame it on the alcohol. I feel like you just love that nigga. I see the feelings in your face, but you won't tell me cause you ain't woman enough. Am I being replaced? Girl, I feel like I'm a rebound. Oh, I guess you gon' cheat now. I guess we gon' see now. That drunk never tell no lie. That vodka had you speaking. That wine had you talking as you leaving. Why can't you see your own flaws? My reaction to your actions. Don't be giving